Hey brow lovers, it's Arielle from Sephora at the Parks Mall in Arlington, Texas. If you've ever wanted to achieve a fuller brow without making your brows any darker, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how I get a full but soft and contoured brow. First, I'm gonna take my Precisely My Brow Pencil Ultra Fine Shape and Define by Benefit Cosmetics in the shade Gray. I'm gonna start by using the spoolie to groom my brow. Once my brow is groomed, I follow the top of my brow parallel to the shape of the bottom, starting at the ends first and moving my way to the front. I'm then gonna groom the product back into the brow. Once I have the base of the first brow done, I repeat all the steps on the other side. I'm again grooming with the spoolie and then following the top of my brow parallel to the bottom and then extending slightly to create my arch. The best part of this pencil is that grooming the product into the brow creates a very soft and naturally filled in brow. When filling in the ends of my brows, I don't like to create a point. I like to create a very open-ended, natural hair-looking brow. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Blonde. Since my first step with the brow pencil creates depth, I like using the blonde brow gel to create a lightness that helps make the brow look even more natural. I'm using the longer part of the spoolie to just dig into the brow and help create that natural haired look. Since my tinted brow gel doesn't actually hold my brow into place, I'm next going to take the 24-hour Brow Setter Shaping and Setting Gel by Benefit Cosmetics in the shade Clear. Since my brows don't naturally grow into the shape that I groomed them, I use this gel as a final glue and it actually holds my brows all day long. Once I've applied that brow gel, there is no time to waste. I'm going to use the spoolie from my Precisely My Brow to make sure that the gel locks my brow into place. Now it's time to clean up. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 240 on a Sephora Collection 84 brush. I like using a concealer closer to my skin color because I have hooded eyes, and if I were to brighten underneath my eyebrow, it would create a more hooded look. So I use a color that's more my skin tone to keep my brow looking clean and defined, but without adding any brightness underneath. Although I am going for a natural brow, I love using this concealer to help contour the brow and give it a glam edge. I also like to take my concealer and to give the front end of my brow a more fluffy appeal, and then I use the end of the brush to help blend out the concealer. As a final touch, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Gel in the shade Blonde. I love using this product in this shade because it helps make my brow appear thicker but not darker. And just like that, we've created a soft contoured brow. Although I used blonde brow gels throughout my routine to create a cool tone brow, don't be afraid to customize your brow gels to your hair color. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you liked and subscribed and left us a comment. Tell us which step helped you out the most. I know I'll be seeing you in the next one.